10th one, simple program. This is write a Python program that opens a file and handles file not found error exception if the file doesn't exist. Okay, so in name itself you can understand file not found error. Okay, so how to handle the exception, we'll say a simple one. So with open method is there, open function is there. With open function we have to open this file, but the file name is not there. If file name is not there, just handle that error in this except file not found error. Okay, as e print a file not found error. You can just check the output here. Here no such file directory or my file directories. Okay, simple one. If you know the file handling, you understand this one, how to open the file, how to read the file. We will see examples in the later classes, later sessions. Okay, these 10, if you practice these 10 exercises, some I have given this 10 exercises one. Okay, so solutions as given. So if you want explanation, so the other tutorial is there, you can check there. So easy, if you do this one easy. Okay, these 10 examples are easy. This is a very basic one. Just practice this 10 exercises. Okay.